Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Honey Web Designer. In this video, we can learn how to create WhatsApp plugin for a website. You can see on my computer screen, we have one button. When I click on this, the box will be appear. In this box, we have a description on the top and some content link in the body. When I click again the button, the box will be disappear. So challenge is there how we can create this using HTML and CSS only. So let's start. So I open my code editor and in this I have two files. One is index.html and second is style.css. And I have also an image folder, and in this folder I have three images which I can use in this project. In the index.html file, I have basic HTML code and I also apply a link font or some CDN in the index.html file, and in the style.css file I import a Google font family poppins, and I have also a simple properties, CSS properties. So in the body of the index.html I can put a input field, and the types of input field is checkbox. I gave ID name click, and I also gave a class name hidden. After that, we apply a label tag, and in this for attributes, we call this ID, Control V, and in the label tag, we apply a font, as we apply a WhatsApp icon. So fab.fa WhatsApp, and I also gave a custom class name message icon. After that, we apply a spin tag, and in this tag, we can write some text chat with us on WhatsApp. Now I open our browser, and here you can see we have a one checkbox, one WhatsApp icon, and some description chat with us on WhatsApp. When I click on the description, the checkbox also be checked and unchecked. So now we can style this button. First, we can target the label tag. So target the label tag, and position will be fixed. Bottom 20 pixel, right 30 pixel, and sorry, max weight 100%, height 50 pixel, and font size 14 pixel. We give a background color in the hexadecimal as a light green 0DC152, and color is white H triple F, and padding 10 pixel 20 pixel, tops and bottom 10, and left and right 20. And display flex, align item center, justify content center, and cursor will be a pointer, and z index is 999. Okay, and we apply a border radius 50 pixel. So now you can see in the left bottom corner we have a WhatsApp button. Now we can increase the size of icon and also change styling of spins. So after that, we can target the message icon, which we can be in the label tag. So label dot message icon, we give a margin right 5 pixel and font size 22 pixel. So let's check. You can see its size will be increased. So now you can see I click on this button, the checkbox will be checked. Okay, when I click again, the checkbox will uncheck. So we can hidden the checkbox. So here at the top, we can target the class name hidden. So dot p and give a property display hidden. Sorry, display none. and you can see our checkbox will be display none. Okay, now we'll create a container, means a checkbox. So in the index.html file, we can apply a div and class name wrapper, and in this div we can create another div dot description, and in this we can apply hi there have a question, and what's us, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. So you can check we have our description here, and we can style this box. In the CSS file at the bottom, we can select or target the wrapper, and we give a position fixed, right 30 pixel, bottom 100 pixel, and max weight 400 pixel. Background hash FFF, and box shadow will be 1 pixel, 1 pixel, and 15 pixel. Blur or GPA 0,00.1, and border will be 1 pixel solid hash FFFAFA, and border radius 10 pixel. Pointer event none. Transition will be a 0.3 second is in and out, and z index be 999. Check. Now you can check we have a description and box will be here. Okay, then you can see we mistake here. We can mistake here RGBA. So now you can check this time. After that, we can target the p tag, which is in the description. So dot wrapper dot description, and padding 20 pixel, background hash 0 tc, border top left radius 10 pixel, and border top right radius also be at 10 pixel. Check again. You can see here we have a description. So we can target the p tag description, and in the description we have a p tag, and color hash FFF, font size 40 pixel. Here you can see I have a description. After that, we can add a link, and before adding a link, we can add some another thing in the wrapper class. So here, select the wrapper, Control C, Control V, and before content and width 20 pixel, height 20 pixel, background hash FFF, and position will be a absolute. Sorry, absolute. Bottom minus 10 pixel, right 13 pixel, transform, rotate 45 degrees, and bottom 1 pixel, solid hash FAFAFA, and border right 1 pixel, solid, sorry, border right, right, and here we can color, give a color hash FAFA, and box shadow will be a 1 pixel, 1 pixel, and 2 pixel blur. RGB is a 0,0.1. Sorry. Okay, you can see here we have a small boxes. So now I can put a link. First, we can create a div, and it's our class name dot container. In this container, I have one box. So in this container, we have a context box, and in this content, sorry, in the container, we have one div dot box, div and class name box, and in this box we have another div class name image, and in this we have one image name profile one and alt profile picture. After that, we can add another div and class name, and in this we can write a name in the h3 tag, honey slicer, and in the p tag, some text Lauren 3 as a dummy text. And after that, image div, we can add a span tag, and in this we can write two main figure. We can copy this box and paste 3 times here. Control P 1 and 2, and we have total as 3 box here. You can see. So we can change the image, file image 2, file image 3, and name Amila, and last name is Edward Reborn. So first we select the image tag dot content box. Sorry. First we select the image box, the image in the container. So first we can style the container, target the container. So dot container, and give a padding 50 pixel top, 20 pixel left and right, and 20 pixel bottom. After that we select the, you can see after that we select the contact box, sorry, container, and after that we select box, and we style it display flags, align atom center, justify content space between, and margin bottom 30 pixel, and cursor pointer. Now you can see our spin tags at the right side and our profile image and the name at the left side. So we can face it. After that, we select the image or target the image and give a weight to the 50 pixels. Container.box and paste here. And in the image div, we have one image. So dot image and imd weight 60 pixels. Now you can see our image size reduced to 60 pixels. So now we want this text at the right side of the image. So we select Control C and paste. You can see image and names in the div of image. Okay, so now we select the image div and div property display flag, align item center, and you can check our image and the name of the person at the side by side. So we give a margin right to the image is 15 pixel. So you can see. Now we can style the names h3 tag p and span. So we can target first h3 tag and h3 tag in the name div. So we select name, control C and wait and h3. So give a styling width, sorry, font size 1.1 rem, color hash 33 like that. And then we can target the p tag, font size 0.8 rem, and color hash 444. After that, we can select a span tag. So span tag in the box, so we can select container dot post, and here we can add span and style it. Font size 0.8 rem and color as CC light gray. Now you can see this. Now we can add a active now text in the last content and give a class name active. So select this active dot active and color will be green. Now you can see this one is active and this one is offline. Now we can add a functionality. When I click on this button, the box will disappear and appear. So for this, we can add opacity 0 in the wrapper tab. Here in this, we can add opacity 0. And after that, we can add a hash click. We can target the click mean input by ID and check and the wrapper. In this line, we can say when we can click the check, the wrapper will appear and disappear. So opacity 1 and bottom 1, 10 pixel and pointer event auto. Pointer event auto. Okay, now you can see when I click on this, they will be appear, and when I click on this, the box will be disappear. You can see our WhatsApp plugin project is completed. When I click on this button, the box will be appear, and when I click on this again, the box will be disappear. You can check again and again. So in this video, we can create only a WhatsApp plugin, and the next video we will come back with a new project. So thanks for watching.